Each artist develops his own method of creating artwork that highlights his strengths and compensates weaknesses. Choose creative approach depending on your end goal. Some methods are more strict but faster, some more playful and flexible, but prolongs time of work. In previous course we discussed more careless way of working. But what if you want to have great result for sure? Can you guarantee a 100% positive outcome? You can, by using conscious approach. It's a deliberate creation, gradual development of your piece until reaching its full potential as an artwork. This method is quite challenging but very efficient.